This is an interesting problem that Zapata brought to my attention. This is inside of Desire to Learn. It's a PowerPoint slideshow, a .pps file, and it seems to be an image on screen, but it has this View as Text button. And when I click on that, this text is selectable, and I'm guessing is readable by a screen reader, but we can test that out to be sure. And I believe it's following the outline view from the PowerPoint slideshow. And you can see it looks like a slide where there's no text in the outline. And sometimes that happens when people don't use um, well, either there is no text on the slide or it hasn't been inserted properly with a layout um, and I don't know, other reasons that I don't understand, but I know that that's something to check in the outline view to make sure all of the text from your slides is in the outline view. And so we would have to look at the original PowerPoint file to know what the exact reason for this is. But it looks like a lot of the information is here and very straightforward. School libraries, types, elementary, middle, high school, private school, public school, and nicely organized. Doesn't have headings, obviously, but looks like the slides with lists and everything like that. But have a bunch of these empty ones, so we would want to check that out. And then you can also download the file, and I'm on a Windows 7, Windows 7 computer, and so you see it's a PPS file. So the default says to open it in PowerPoint, and we'll do that. Zapata said she was not able to open the file directly, but that she could, if she opened PowerPoint first and then opened the PPS file from within PowerPoint. So that might be a versioning thing. Maybe it's a different version. Maybe it was made with an older version of PowerPoint than Zapata has on her computer. But let's see what happens here. I tried to open it. I'm not seeing any action though. Maybe this is it. Maybe it did open just on my screen automatically. And there I can click through. It doesn't look like I can select any of the text though. So this isn't accessible. The PPS file doesn't appear to be accessible. Let me escape out of this. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to download it again to double check what happened. Okay, we were asked to open it with the PowerPoint program and it did that. If we save the file, let's see what happens. It's downloading. Okay. And if we, well, I think it would be the same thing, wouldn't it? Let me go just find it on my desktop. My messy desktop. The PPS file. Okay, here it is. PPS file. Double clicked on it. It did open up, no problem. But again, it seems to be image based, not text based. So it really wouldn't help someone with a visual disability or someone who used a screen reader. And I can't zoom on it either for some reason. I would think I would be able to zoom. No. So, not very helpful for visual disabilities. Maybe for, uh, no, I don't really see why anybody would need to download it unless they just wanted to save it for their own uh, reference later. So, if I go back to Desire to Learn, where we were recording originally, it looks to me like the most accessible way to view this is as a text file right in the browser, and I can go back to view as a page. And again, and this version also is image based. Um, but that the text based seems very helpful. Might be nice if you could see the images next to the text, but short of that, I would just want to check out why the blank pages or cells here. It'd be nice to get rid of those make sure we're not missing any information in this view as opposed to this view. Okay, thanks.